Hi, this is Wayne Tully, and today we're going to draw an exploding skull. I'm going to start drawing a quick shape, and that's the guard line. So maybe over here we'll have a bit of cheekbone. Maybe over there we'll have a bit of skull, and then we'll have like fragmented pieces of the skull. Here, and there's obviously lines, coming out of the gaps. There's blood and all sorts. You could probably get away with drawing a good portion of the skull intact, but like it's about to explode, so loads of pieces there. Just so you know it's a skull, it's best to draw one of the eyes in there. And there's probably loads of other gaps. We can draw lines showing that it's exploding. A random piece of skull there. Looks like a cheekbone. Some teeth. Draw a couple of teeth, sort of intact there. And that's more lines and stuff you can do. You can draw stuff coming out of the eye as well. Bits of blood from the actual skull maybe, and so maybe make these lines more noticeable as actual lines of an explosion. And other bits of blood there, and whatever else exploding from the head of this skull. It's a random idea, it's something that can be worked upon. The more you draw this type of thing, the better you'll be able to draw an exploding skull. So just try and have a go at drawing an exploding skull yourself and see what you can come up with. Cheers now.